What's going on, you guys? So I've got most of the door bars done, as you guys can see. All that down there's done, that upright's done, but the one bar we still have yet to finish. This upright bar right there. So I think what we're gonna do, set up the camera, do a little bit of a time-lapse video, and get this cage buttoned up. Alright, so last bar of the cage is in. Now, what's next? So, when it comes to tube work, we do have a couple things left we could do on the cage if we wanted to. Not required though. We could do the X-brace back here. So basically a bar from up there to down here, up there, down there. Like I said, not totally required, just one of those things that we might add on in the future, but we do have material left here. And I think what we need to do next though, since we have all this material, is we need to build the rear bash bar. So the bumper's right there. Basically I'm going to use the bumper as an outline. So use the bumper basically as an outliner to make the rear crash bar, similar to the way I did the front crash bar. But we do need to make plates, so we need to make 2 plates down here still so that the whole assembly can bolt on. Other than that though, you know, we're pretty much done on the tube work. Probably clean a couple things up here and there still, like this needs to be cut down. It's a little bit too tall. When the car squats, I'm kind of concerned about that dragging, so I think I'm going to end up cutting this down right here where these 2 tubes meet. Probably seal it off, close it off real nice. But we're almost to the point where we can get this chassis painted. As for engine building, we're coming along. Kind of sucks. One thing that kind of sucks though is I got a crankshaft for this, and it was like a spotless, clean crankshaft, and I brought it in my garage and I just left it in here. And what ended up happening is, due to running the heater, it being so cold, it rusted to shit in 3 days. So luckily I caught it in time, so I cleaned it up, put some oil on it, threw it in the house, but hopefully I don't need to cut it. It looks like it'll polish out, but you know, if I gotta cut it, I gotta cut it, and I'll just have to get the appropriate size bearings for it. But you know, it's just one of those things, kind of sucks. Anyways, I'm running a little bit short on time today. That's about all I'm gonna have time to do. So that's gonna be it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed the small little time-lapse video. Just trying to do something to get some content out to you guys. Still working on getting the website set up, so we might have merch coming soon. You know, who knows? See how that goes. But that's gonna be it for this one. So like the video if you liked it, subscribe to the channel if you're new, follow the build along, and until the next one, I'll catch you guys later.